MRecktv.
You ain't from around here, is you? Just passing through.
Is that right? Well, maybe I could show you how us Gary girls get down.
Thought you said this was the hood, not a war zone. You see that? That's the demon house niggas out here been talking about. MRecktv. We want to get all those facts, and because it's looking crazy right now. I ain't gonna front. It's looking like it's looking like a money play right now for Shyne. Because Shyne, you was just with Diddy. You performed with him 2022, and then yo KV, hold that thought. I'm gonna take another call. I'm gonna bring you back on. All right.
All right.
So, peace. Caller, you got the floor. Yeah, you got the floor.
This Nino. I'm scarred, man.
Word?
This is Nino.
Okay.
So the fact of the matter is, I wasn't even there that night.
Okay.
But he plugging me in with my man. God bless the dead, Scar. He plugged me in with him. I guess because we were like attracted. If you see Scar, you see me.
Got you.
You know what I mean? But all that situation was over money. It was all over money. But Scar didn't even have a hammer.
All right, hold on, Nino. Because I didn't know you was gonna call. So let's take it back to the essence. All right. So was Shyne signed to Scar and y'all? Like what label was it?
He was rocking with us.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it to you like this. We did have a label at that time. We did. But Scar actually, how he got involved with Scar was through me.
Oh wow. So Shyne, you and Shyne go back, basically.
Me and Shyne go back. That was my man. We stayed in Puff Crib on 35th by the tunnel. I stayed with him over there in Jersey and Fort Lee. We was rocking together every day.
And now, Nino, not to cut your wisdom, I gotta say this because anybody can call and say, "Yo, Shyne, my man, Scar, my man." So how do we, confirm this? You know what I'm saying? How do we confirm this, good brother? Respectfully.
Well, respectfully, everybody know I'm, light skinned, skinny Nino. You can catch me on the book. You can see me on the gram or whatever, but you can see pictures of me and Scar and everybody on the gram. I'm Nino Styles, 850.
Okay.
But you can see everybody know the connection. Everybody and their mother, especially in Brooklyn, know light skinned Lil Nino always be with Scar. They always together. Like brothers. That's like my big brother. You know what I mean? He brought me in the game. So other than that, I'm just talking the truth. I'm just telling my truth. You know what I mean?
Gotcha.
Other than that.
No, I'm glad you called because we was a little confused with this whole Shyne situation with Scar and Diddy. You know what I mean? And we trying to put together why did this situation really happen. So could you explain what transpired at Club New York? What really happened? Can you go into that?
All right. I can only tell you to my knowledge because I know forthright. Because like he said, he always put me in the picture. Nino was there. Scar was there with my peoples. I was never there that night. But I knew the whole situation when it happened, what occurred, and such and such. You know what I mean? Scar called me after the whole situation and was hollering at me. Then the next day I was in Atlantic City. The next day I came and checked him, and he sat down with me and talked to me about it. And that's how that really went down.
All right, so let's go back to you and Shyne. How far did you and Shyne go back?
Well, me and Shyne go back. From now, how many years I know him now? I know Shyne. I know Shyne from 97, 96. He from my hood. He from the hood. We all from. Well, I'm from Crown Heights, but that bump into each other. Flatbush and Crown Heights bump right into each other.
That's a fact.
So my whole team, you know, we know that side of the fence. We all know each other. Everybody know each other. Crown Heights and Flatbush is a lot together. You know what I mean?
So
that's how that came about.
So now, give us a little backstory on Shyne. Like, what was his upbringing like in Brooklyn?
Shyne was in the street.
Okay.
He was definitely in the street because I remember when he got hit. He got hit in the chest with a shotgun.
Damn.
He was robbing. Yeah, he was robbing some dude and got hit in the chest. Blew his whole fucking frame out a little bit, man. That shit was a nasty work. Work.
Be easy on the cursing, Nino. That's all. Just, you know what I mean? Yeah. Because we live. That's all good. Now, what made you call? Are you already subscribed to the channel, or you saw the title?
I always watch your channel.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, I always watch it to see, you know what I mean? See what's going on and see how things is popping, you know what I mean? But I gotta set a lot of things straight because a lot of things is misconstrued. Yes, it was about that situation. Yes, it was about money, but we didn't want it no more. You know, go ahead, pass that on. And it wasn't particularly to Shyne because that wasn't really his fault.
Okay.
But see, Scar and Puff knew each other for years.
Oh, word? I didn't know that. See, now you bring in. Let's go into that. Yeah, go into that.
Yeah, they knew each other for years. You know, Scar used to ride out with him in the 90s, early 90s, when he had the crib in VA. He had the Atlanta crib. We used to always go through there. But that's when I was just attachment. I wasn't really making no moves at that time, but I stepped my game up. Then my name started popping.
Got you. Hold on 1 second. Pound the like button, y'all. This is an MReck exclusive. We got Nino on the line. That's Scar and Shyne, homie. You know what I mean? On the line, and he's giving layers to the story because a lot of stuff got misconstrued. Run the likes up on Facebook, YouTube. This is a MRecktv exclusive, and I appreciate Nino for calling. Run the lights up. So Nino, let's go into where the story came from with, this is what Shyne was saying, or initially, this is the story that initially came out. It was some dudes from the hood, I guess from Flatbush, came to the club, New York, to throw money in Puff's face to show Puff we got money too. Is any truth to that?
No, that was just a coincidence. No, that just was a coincidence because that's a club we went to every Sunday. That club New York was popping every Sunday.
That's
you
a fact.
Catch us in there every Sunday. We was in there. Jessica was running the door at that time, so we had good times with Jessica. So you know, she threw all the hot joints. So anytime she throws through there, you know what I mean?
No doubt. This is what I want to do. I'm glad you called up. I want you to do, if you want, let's do this, a face-to-face interview. You feel what I'm saying? So
I mean, that's up to you. We can do that.
Yeah, let's do it right. Because I didn't even know you called and I got your number locked in, but I still want to go into this. So now, where did Flex get this information from about Shyne being signed to y'all?
I don't know where he got that from. But, I want to be honest to you. You know what I mean? A lot of things, I just brought it up because Shyne probably thought I was in there in the cut somewhere because wherever you see Scar, you see me. So he did probably think, but he always put my name in it. Like, I think if I was there, I would probably, subsided the little issue that we had a little bit more. I was more vocal in between both of them. So, I was more attached to it more than anybody. So, you know how that go, man.
Got you.
I don't know where Flex get all that crazy, but the boy, excuse my language, the boy was in the streets though.
Got you.
Yeah,
now,
he was in the streets. He was definitely in the streets.
So basically, you saying it's some truth to what Flex is saying. Not everything is true, but the fact that Shyne was signed to Scar and y'all at one time.
Oh no truth to that at all.
No truth to that. Okay.
No, never was. He's just rolling with us.
Okay.
He was rolling with us heavy. He was signed to Puff all that time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Got you.
Because as I told you, remember Puff put him up in his crib. So we was over there hanging with Shyne at Puff at one of his crib by the tunnel, by the Midtown Tunnel. He had a nice little crib by Pacino. Al Pacino used to live over there, or you used to see him every now and then. But that's the little cut that Shyne was staying in for the meantime. I was with Shyne when he crashed his car and everything, man.
Wow.
Yeah, when he crashed the big boy and all that. Yeah, I was there with all that.
So, all right, if you was rocking with Shyne like that, did y'all have a falling out, or you still was cool with him, or Scar was really your man? So it was kind of like I really
gotta take sides. If I take sides, I had to take my man's side. So any time of the day, I had to take Scar's side any time of the day.
Got you.
Yeah, I had to do that because I don't think we had kind of. I bumped into him one time at a video shoot. He came and hollered at me, but it wasn't the same. We didn't have the same response as we used to have. Like, yo, Nick, come on, yo, come here, yo, come holler.
The energy was different.
The energy was way different.
Got you.
And I could understand that too because of the situation. You know what I mean?
Got you. And the fact that I like about you kept it G'd up and said, nah, that's not the story. But also, nah, Shyne was in the streets. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. He was definitely, I can't take that away from him.
Got you. Now, this is the $1 billion question. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Now, respectfully, how did Scar get killed?
Well, I was locked up at that time. I was locked up in Florida at that time. So I couldn't really tell you too much. But it was a lot of situations that we had ourselves into. So I can't really put my finger on where it was coming from because you got to remember I was locked up at that time.
Got you.
So I can't put my fingers on it, but there was a lot of things coming our way anyway. But you know how it is living in the streets. You're doing your thing. So it's always gonna be some kind of.
I'm gonna put it to you like this: y'all was putting work in the streets, and it could have came from anywhere. You know what I'm saying?
Came from anywhere. Yes, sir.
Got you. Being from Brooklyn, I'm from Brooklyn. You from Flatbush? I used to live in Flatbush too. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, I'm from Crown Heights.
Oh, from Crown Heights. I used to live in Crown Heights too.
Yeah.
Albany Projects.
We from Washington.
Oh, wow. Salute.
Yeah, we from Washington.
And what? Washington and what?
Washington, St. John's.
It was lit over there. Still lit over there.
That's all our, that's our area. All that whole ave. Me and the family went through that whole, that was our side.
Got you. Now, it's people in the chat room that's asking, who is Scar? Could you give him, some, give him some.
The boy was a wild boy.
Okay.
He was out there. I mean, fully charged. Ready for the street. Anything come, he ready. He ready. Stand up, dude. Stand up. All the way stand up.
That's what's up.
You know what I'm saying? But a lot of people don't know him because he was moving kind of light on his feet. And then he was going in and out of jail. So a lot of people knew him in the streets. But if you wasn't really in the streets, you wouldn't really know him like that. You know what I mean?
Got you. That's a fact.
Yeah, you wouldn't really know him like that. But if you was in the streets, you know what time it is.
Got you. Let me ask you this next $1 billion question.
Talk to me.
When did Shyne and Scar fall out?
I'm thinking that day.
Oh, word?
They didn't have no beef. Yeah, we didn't have no problem. Shyne had went on and did his thing. He was moving around. Anytime he touched the street, touched the city, he called us. Yo, we go check him. But Scar wasn't really close like that. Scar was there for him. Don't get me wrong, but me and him was more on an everyday basis. Scar was just there. If I call him, yo, he gonna come through. Or yo, what's Shyne? Yo, let me holler at him. He come through. That was a little homie. He was older than us. So, you know what I mean? He just mind checking on the homies. You know what I mean? That's
what's up. Hold on, y'all. Listen, this is live, right? I need y'all to hit that like button. Facebook, YouTube, Twitch. We got a call-in exclusive from Nino, a.k.a. Scar homie, and Shyne, former homie. You know what I'm saying? Maybe they can work that out. So let me ask you this. The last time you spoke and saw Shyne, when was that?
The last time I spoken or saw him was the video shoot, the Barrington Levy video shoot in the 90s. Yeah, that was the last time I saw him. You know, we shot it out for a little bit. You know, I just kept it moving.
Now, let me ask you this. Was this before the Club New York incident, or this is after? Oh, this is after. So, wow.
Yeah, this is after.
So, when you came through for Dolo, or Scar was in the cut somewhere?
Scar was locked up.
Oh, Scar was locked up.
Yeah, me and his brother was there. We walked through there. I saw it popping. I said, yo, you know, what's popping over here? Let's pull through. You know what I mean? See what's going on. See what's motivating in it. Everybody was telling us, yeah. You know, a lot of people that knew us knew, yo, that's your boy, Nino. Yo, Shyne in there. I said, oh, yeah, look. Yo, he ain't never reached out to me to see what the temperature was, so I was trying to see what his temperature was. You know what I mean? At that time,
Got you.
You know, we had a very well-to-do relationship. You know what I mean?
Got you. Yo, Nino.
So I wondered.
Look, I ain't gonna cut your wisdom because you giving up some real, like, exclusive info right now, right? And I appreciate that. So I want to do this face to face, and I want to chop it up with you behind the scenes because I see a whole nother play. You dig what I'm saying? That we can put together. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the rest of the callers, and I'm glad you called in, and I'll call you behind the scenes today. You know what I mean? I'm gonna call you from my other number. You know what I'm saying? My business lines. All right, Nino.
I always salute you. I always watch your joint. I just kept my mouth closed for all these years, but you know, sometimes enough is enough, man. Like, you know what I mean?
You. Thank you. I appreciate you calling, man, and we're gonna lock in with you. We're gonna do it the right way. All right.
Salute, big homie.
Salute, King. Peace.
One.
You ain't from around here, is you? Just passing through.
Is that right? Well, maybe I could show you how us Gary girls get down.
Thought you said this was the hood, not a war zone.
You see that? That's the demon house niggas out here been talking about. Y'all know the M.Reck room etiquette. Peace. You now tuned in to MRecktv.
What if someone wasn't on protocol? There are consequences.